Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I wanted to share what I do for our family advent calendar and just give some ideas on activities or things that you can do if this is something that you want to start with your family or with your children. So I have this little advent calendar in our kitchen. I keep it up here and I got it either last year or the year before, I think at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. You can kind of find these everywhere, but it lights up at the top. It's super cute, but it has these little pull-outs. So that's what I was looking for when I was trying to find an advent calendar, was something that my son could pull out and have different little activities or things that we could read. And then I could change it every year, and then I can also change it around. So if something comes up the month of December where I had planned for something one day and it's just not gonna work out, then I can easily move it and it's not set in stone. So basically what I do is I plan 24 different little things or activities or special treats or gifts that he can get during this time. And then I just print little slips and put them in the box. So then every day in the month of December, he will go to that day, he'll pull it out and I'll read it to him. And then we'll do whatever corresponds with what it says. So that's what I like to do. It's something easy for me because it takes a little bit of work, but it can be super simple things. And then it's just a lot of fun memories as a family. And it's something that I can do every year. As he gets older, I can tailor it more towards his age. And then as we add in more kids. So next Christmas, we will have a 6-month-old. So that will be super fun. But then I can just change it with every year and it's not set in stone. So I really, really like that. So this is what I use. They may have things like on Amazon and Target and all of that. I'm not sure. But like I said, I got mine at TJ Maxx or Home Goods maybe 1 or 2 years ago. Can't quite remember. So I wanted to share kind of what I'm doing this year. I definitely had to tweak it from last year because of COVID and everything going on. We're not able to do a lot of the stuff that we've done the past 2 years. So like we probably won't get to go see Santa. We won't get to do story time at the fire station or story time with Mrs. Claus or go to the big ice show at the Gaylord, and just a lot of things that we've done the past 2 years. I'm just kind of putting it in my head that it's not going to happen. But if something does pop up, since this is so easy to change around, I can print it off and put it in, and then we can do something like that. So if I have something where he's opening, I will share it. But then if not, I'll just kind of go through what I plan on doing with him. So one of the days I plan on giving him his new holiday PJs. So if there's like a little thing for him to open, I'll just put it in a red sack and then he can open it and then I'll just use it the next time I need it. So I'm not wasting tons of sacks or paper or anything like that. But every year I always get him new Christmas PJs. He gets the family ones that we get for the 3 of us, and then he also gets another set. So these are just little Santa bottoms. They're from Old Navy, and then the top just says Santa. So these will be his new Christmas PJs that he can wear the month of December, and that will be one of his days. So that's one of his days. The second one of his days is he gets to open a new ornament for his room tree. So he has a little tree in his room that already has lots of ornaments on him. We always get an ornament if we travel with him to put on his tree. He gets one every year and then he normally makes one. So he has quite a few already. And then I let him pick out an ornament that he likes, or the past 2 years since he was so little, whatever he was into, that's what I got. But this year he really wanted this ornament. So he already knows what it is, but when he gets to go put it on his tree, he'll be super excited about that. So he gets a new ornament for his little tree. Then he gets to make a big ornament or an ornament for the big tree. So this year we're gonna make just his handprint. They have tons of different kits and crafts that you can do for ornaments, but we're just gonna do a handprint for the big tree that he can make. And then I'll probably get another type of ornament that he can make for his little tree. I just haven't found one yet. I kind of just pick things up as I go and as I see them. And then when I see it, I just get it. So I probably will get something little that he can paint or make for his tree as well. So that's always something fun that he likes to do. Another thing that he loves is getting new holiday books. So we have a basket of holiday books that I keep out by the tree, and then I actually keep it in our Christmas tub where it's not something that he sees on a regular basis. So they're really special. They're so fun to read during this season because it's something that we're not reading all the time. So this year I picked up The Night Before Christmas, which we do not have. And then I picked up The Little Blue Truck's Christmas, which is really cute because it has like twinkle lights. So you can put batteries in the back, and he loves The Little Blue Truck. If you have not read that book, it's so cute. So I know that he will love this. And then they have different ones on the back that you can get as well, but I figured he'd really like this with the lights. So he will be very excited about those. So that's another one of the days. Then another one of the days is just a holiday craft. And this can be anything. There's so many things on Pinterest that you can make. There's also like these little crafts at Hobby Lobby where they, like this one, he can make 2 different Santas and dress them up. They have things like that. So I have one of these that he can do, but like I said, they can make a garland, they can make a little wreath with a paper plate, they can make a Santa face with lots of cotton balls. There's so many things. And then as they get older, it can be more elaborate and a little bit more time consuming with what they're able to do. So he'll do a holiday craft. Then another day he will write a Santa letter. So his first year was a little bit different because he wasn't even a year old. Instead of this, we did a book a day for his advent calendar. And then I don't know if we sent a Santa letter that year, but last year we did all of this, and then we did the Santa letter and all of that. So since he's older, we will continue all of that. So last year we just wrote it, and then I actually mailed it to my parents since that's where we were staying for Christmas. And then Christmas Eve, I wrote back a response to his letter, and I put it in the freezer. So we did this with our first graders when I was a teacher, to have their letters delivered with responses. And it was so fun watching them open them when they're cold and they're coming from the North Pole. And it's just like a little simple something that makes it more fun and special for kids. So that's what we did last year. And then this year I found a really cute Etsy template that you can purchase and then keep forever. And then you can, on some of them, you can switch out the names. So he can write his letter on this little format. It says like, "Dear Santa, my name is blank. I am blank years old." And then he can fill it out since he's only, he'll be 3 after Christmas. Or if they're a little bit older, they can write it out. So he will write his letter. Then for Christmas Day, they already have a letter where you can put in their name. It's from Santa Claus. He can get that back. He can get a nice list certificate, which is so cute. And then it has their name circled. Once again, you just plug it in and print it. They also have where you can send it. So I won't use this one because I'll send it to my in-laws' house since that's where we're going to be this year. But then it also has a return address too. So that's really cute that you can put that on the envelope. And then there's little gift tags that you can print to know that those are Santa gifts that you can tape on. So I thought that was really cute. It was like $3. And like I said, it's something that I can have forever, and then I can just change. We can just write a new letter every year. I can change the names for him and then our second kid. And it's just really nice. And so I'll leave that link below. It was on Etsy, but I'm excited to do that. So one of the days he'll do his Santa letter. Then another day we'll just read his favorite holiday book, or he can pick a few to read. Like I said, we have a pretty big basket already for him to choose from, but he can choose one, he can pick one out to read. Then another day we're going to bake and decorate sugar cookies. So I found these little cutouts that he can open in the bag, and then I'll get just different icings and things. We have sprinkles, but different toppings to bake and just to decorate sugar cookies. That's always fun for kids, and they love eating them. Eating them, that's the best part. So that's another day, another thing that we will do. And then 2 other days we will go and shop for someone in need. So an angel tree or anything like that. He really enjoyed doing that last year, looking at their list and picking out things that he thought that that kid would like, and then donating food. So I'm sure a lot of places have special drives and things going on for the holidays of foods that they are requesting to donate. So those will be 2 of the days, is someone in need and donating food. Another day will just be a Christmas movie and popcorn. So we can pick one out on Netflix. Super easy, just watch a movie together, pop some popcorn. Another day is a hot chocolate bar. So I'll have different like those little candy sticks out with the peppermint and chocolate and things like that, marshmallows, and then we can make our own hot chocolate. And then another day is just building a gingerbread house. This is always fun to do as a family. We're not the best at it, but it's definitely fun and he thinks it's funny. So we'll definitely do that. We'll make snowflakes. So if you were a kid and you just made the snowflakes out of plain white computer paper with the different designs, he's currently really into cutting. So he is going to love that. But we'll make snowflakes one day. I'm gonna do a sensory bin one day of all Christmas stuff. So you can literally put anything in it. There's tons of ideas on Pinterest, but actually at Hobby Lobby, they have a whole section of like little things that you could get and put in the bin, and they're a pretty reasonable price. It's nothing too outrageous, and I'm sure Dollar Tree has a lot too. So we'll do a sensory bin one day. We're gonna do a holiday scavenger hunt one day of things around the house. So I'll probably do around 10 items, and he'll have to find like the rainbow candy cane, or he'll have to find where I hid the Night Before Christmas book and things like that. He loves scavenger hunts, so he'll love that. Then another day we'll watch, YouTube has tons of kids videos for the story of Christmas and Jesus being born. So we'll watch that one day and we'll talk about it and look at our nativity scene and just kind of go over all that. Then another day we have a family sleepover, so he can pick if we want to camp out in the living room, if we all want to be in our room. We do not share beds or rooms or anything like that, so that'll be super special and fun for him. I know that he'll love that. We'll go and drive and just see lights around the neighborhood and our city. We'll have a Christmas music dance party and just blare Christmas music for a while. We'll make reindeer food one day. We'll bake our cookies for Santa one day. We'll do another holiday craft. So I do have a little gingerbread man. But like I said, there's so many things you can do of just materials you probably have around your house, which is awesome. But I just went ahead and picked these up while I was at Hobby Lobby to make it easy and just an easy alternative. And then we'll read the story of Christmas Eve. We'll read the story of Jesus, talk about it, and then the last day is Christmas. So that's kind of what I'm going to do this year, with a lot taken out of those things that we can actually go do. But I think he's still going to love it. It's still memories as a family and something special for the month of December. So I know he'll enjoy it. I know he'll have fun. And like I said, if any of those things do pop up where they are going to have it or have something special for kids, then I can just easily change something out, which is the beauty of it. So I keep everything just on a Google document, and I kind of have like a little calendar, and then I plug and chug for each year, and then I have a list of ideas and activities that I can choose from. So that's kind of how I like to do it and organize it. Like I said, I know there's so many different things people do out there that are special to their family and unique to them, but I just wanted to give some ideas in case you are wanting to start a new tradition or just to have something different to do. It's super fun. It's not that much work for the parents, and just really fun memories as a family. So I hope this gave you some ideas, and I will catch you in my next video.